Most of us are fighting a losing battle against the sun. It finds every tiny gap. It crawls through every sliver between the curtain and the wall. And suddenly your bedroom feels like a landing strip at 5 in the morning. I finally looked into these Guard Total Blackout blinds to see if they actually live up to the hype. Because usually, blackout curtains are a bit of a lie. They let light bleed around the edges, or the light leaks right through the fabric itself. But these things use a specific track system. It basically seals the window frame shut. Think of it like a gasket for your room. It locks out the world. Inside that track, you have 2 layers of fabric in a honeycomb shape. This is a double win. It blocks the light rays completely, but it also traps air. That means your heater does not have to work as hard in January, and your air conditioner gets a break in July. The thermal insulation is a huge side benefit that people often forget about. It keeps the room at a steady, comfortable temperature, and it actually dampens that annoying street noise from outside. If you live in a busy city or near a main road, you know exactly how valuable that silence can be. Now, the installation is where it gets interesting. Most people hear the words custom blinds and think about power drills, drywall dust, and ruined window frames. But these do not require any of that. You can get them up in 10 minutes or less. No drilling, no special tools, and no special skills required. It is basically a plug-and-play situation for your windows. Even if you are the furthest thing from a handy person, you can handle the contents of this box. But here's the catch, and it is a big one. You have to be absolutely perfect with your tape measure. There's no room for error here. Since they use that tight track system for the seal, if your measurements are off by even a tiny bit, they simply will not fit into the window recess. You need at least an inch of space around the frame for the track to sit properly. These are custom made to your specific dimensions. You will be waiting about 3 weeks for them to arrive. This is not an overnight shipping kind of deal. It takes time to get that precision fit. The price starts around $100, which might sound steep for a single window, but when you compare it to other professional custom solutions, it actually sits in a very reasonable spot, especially when you consider the massive increase in sleep quality you are gaining. Night shift workers are the ones really raving about these. They are describing bedrooms that stay pitch black even at high noon. Parents are using them to keep toddlers asleep longer in the morning, which is basically worth its weight in gold for any exhausted mom or dad. You get a 2-year warranty and free shipping included, so there's some decent peace of mind there. It really comes down to how much you value a dark room. If you're tired of those cheap curtains that flutter in the breeze and let the street lights in, this is a massive functional upgrade. It looks modern, it looks clean, and it does not have that bulky, messy look that heavy velvet drapes often have. Just make sure your windows are square, and take those measurements twice, maybe even 3 times, because once they show up, they are yours. The feedback from real users is overwhelmingly positive, specifically focusing on that total lack of light leaks. It is rare to find a product that actually delivers on a 100% claim, but this track system seems to be the secret sauce. It changes the entire atmosphere of the room, turning a bright, noisy space into a quiet, dark sanctuary. It is about taking control of your sleep environment, instead of letting the sunrise dictate when your day begins. If you can handle the wait time and the precision measuring, your sleep schedule will thank you. It is a solid investment in your own rest. Sleep is everything.